Hello and welcome back my YouTube family. How are you all doing? I am back with a new recipe and today I am cooking my favorite tikha mutton. So if you like the recipe, do share your feedback in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's go straight to the kitchen. So for this recipe, I've got 600 grams of lamb and I'll marinate it before cooking it. So to marinate, I'll add 5 tablespoons of curd. Now I'll add my spices, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of degi chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and I'll mix them all together. So I'll leave my marinated lamb for around 30 minutes and in the meanwhile I'll make my spice mixture. So now I'll dry roast my spices in a pan for which I've got 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, 4 pieces of green cardamoms, 1 bay leaf, 3 pieces of whole red chilies, and 2 pieces of cinnamon stick. And I'll dry roast my spices. Just toast them for 2 to 3 minutes on a very low heat. So after toasting it, I've transferred it to a blender and I'll add some more spices, 3 pods of garlic, half an inch of ginger and 1 roughly chopped onion, and I'll blend them to a thick paste. So now my paste is ready, I'll transfer it to a bowl. So now I'll start cooking my lamb, for which I've taken 4 tablespoons of mustard oil and let it heat up. So when the oil is hot, I'll start adding my lamb to sear it. So now I'll sear my lamb for 8 to 10 minutes on medium heat till it gets a nice brown color. So after 5 minutes, my lamb is cooking nicely and losing its water. I'll keep cooking it for another 5 minutes. So now my lamb has got a good color and I'll transfer it to a plate. So now is the time to add a spice paste directly to the oil, and I'll start searing my paste. So while my paste is cooking, I'll add some more spices. First goes 1 teaspoon of degi chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and salt to taste, and start cooking your spices. So now my paste is cooked as the oil starts to come on top, and now I'll add my lamb and start cooking it with the spices. At this stage, don't add any water and let the lamb cook with the masala for another 5 minutes. So now I'll be adding some water to the lamb, and I'll be using boiling water. Never use cold water in your lamb curries because it makes lamb or mutton hard to chew. So now I'll cover it with a lid and let it cook for another 20 to 25 minutes on low flame. So after 20 minutes, my lamb is almost cooked and I'll let it cook for another 5 minutes without the lid.
so that all the water evaporates, because we need a thick gravy. So now I'll add some fresh coriander leaves and let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. So now my lamb is cooked and I'll start plating it. Garnish it with some ginger julienne and coriander chopped.
So guys, I hope you like the recipe because I can't wait to try this. And don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like the recipe. Till then, bye and take care.